day today? The 7th of July, 2020. We are continuing with our shapes, our 2Ds and our 3Ds. Just for the class rules, we have muted all your mics, and then when I ask questions, you can type in. Thank you. Enjoy the lesson. Okay, remember, every day we have homework, and I do encourage you that please submit your homeworks, okay, so that we can share it with the other learners. All right, so this was our homework yesterday. You were supposed to draw or cut and paste 3D objects, the objects with two sides, and you were also requested to draw or cut and paste 3D objects. I did get a homework, right? And I'm going to share it with you just now, okay? I got this homework from Gabriel, okay? Is there anyone who also did their homeworks, but they forgot to send it or could not send it? Okay, I encourage you to please send it so that I can share it on the slides and we can talk about it. All right, okay. We were supposed to draw or paste, cut and paste 3 2D objects. Let's see what Gabriel has done. Okay, there we go. We see Gabriel has drawn 3 2D shapes. Do you still remember what this shape is? Yes, it's a rectangle. And then the second one there, what is it? Anyone who still remembers? I know you do. It's a triangle. And the third one, it's a circle. Well done. Now let's see the second part of the homework. You were supposed to draw or cut and paste 2 3D objects. Okay, here we see Gabriel. He's cut and pasted a house there. And there's another shape. I can't really see what it is, but it is a 3D object. Maybe Gabriel can tell us what that object is. Okay. Okay, so there we go. Here are the 2 3D objects. Well done to Gabriel. Sharp, sharp. So I encourage that you also submit your homework so that we can share them with the group, with the class. Okay, now let's see what we have for today. Oh, Bushle. Oh, sorry, Bushle, almost forgot. Bushle also sent us her homework. I presume it's her homework, okay? Right, so Bushle also gave us the 3 2D shapes, and she's even labeled it. Well done. There's a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle. Well done, Bushle. And we see here that Bushle chose not to cut and paste, but he drew the 3D shape. So there is a cube, and then there is a 3D shape of a rectangle. Wow, this is lovely. So Bushle, sharp, sharp, and well done to you. So I look forward to sharing more of your homeworks. Great. So let's see what we have for today. Okay, remember we always need to stretch our brains. Now we do our number gymnastics. Okay, let's see what's the plan for this morning. Okay, we are counting from 21 to 50. So I want us to count together. Okay, 21, just look at the cursor, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Well done. Counting in ones from 21 to 50. Now let's see what else we have. There we go. Now we are going to count backwards. Okay, counting backwards from 50 to 30. Look at my cursor. There we go. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Well done. We can count backwards. That's great. Let's look at the next slide. Now we are counting in fives and also in tens. So let's start counting in tens from 10 up to 60. Okay, let's count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Can we try to count backwards from 60? Look at my cursor. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Well done. Great. Now let's see. We are going to count in fives up to 60. Here we go. Look at my cursor. 5, 10, 5 more, 15, 5 more, 20, 5 more, 25, 5 more, 30, 5 more, 35, 5 more, 40, 5 more, 45, 5 more, 50, 5 more, 55, 5 more, 60. I just want to show you a trick or how you can remember. Okay, we've got 5 there. We are counting in fives. Remember, we can always use our counters. In this case, you can use your fingers as your counters. So if we are counting in 5 and we want to make it 5 more, what you can do, you'll say 5 and you quickly count with your fingers. There's our 5. 10. 5 more is 10. Okay. And then 5 more from 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. That's correct. The next number is 15. 5 more from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's correct. 5 more from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's correct. 5 more from 25. We can use our fingers there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's correct. 5 more from 35, from 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 5 more from 35, using your finger, 40. 5 more from 40. Good, 45. 5 more from 45. 50, good. 5 more from 55, from 50. 55, good. 5 more from 55. 60, good, well done. So when you're relaxing there on your bed or wherever, you can practice for yourself so that the more you do it, the more you will remember, and you will see that it's so much fun to work with numbers. Let's see now the next slide. Okay, remember we're talking about shapes, 3Ds and 2Ds this week. Let's see what we have here. Okay, just a quick revision. What is a 2D shape and what is a 3D shape? A 2D shape, we said, is flat, like these objects that you see below. There is a square which is flat. There is a door which is flat, as if you've just drawn them, flat as they are on a page. Okay. And then okay, I hear Sean says that he counted up to 100. Okay, that's good. All right. Let's see. What is a 3D shape? A 3D shape, it's solid. It's whole, like these pictures or these objects. Okay. There's a ball. A ball, it's a sphere, it is round, so it is a solid, okay? And then there's a brick there for us, okay? It's a solid. It's not like something that you write on a page. So it's full. It's a real picture, okay? So that is our 3D. Okay, now let's see. Okay. So you'll see this morning, we will not only look at the shapes.
Ma'am,
Yes. All
a
right.
3D shape, I can draw the square.
Good. Well done. Who's speaking?
Diresh.
Who? Sorry?
Diresh.
Oh, Diresh. Thank you. Great. Now I want us to look at these 2D shapes, okay? I want you to look at sizes. This 2D shapes, do you think they're the same size? Look at the triangles. There's one there, there's another one. There's a square there. There's another one, a circle there, another one, a rectangle there, and another one. Are these shapes, 2D shapes, the same size? Type for me there. Are they the same size? And just tell me how would you describe their sizes. Type in the chat box for me. Okay, while you're typing, okay, I see one is there. Let's see. Yes, Terence says that, and Gabriel say the shapes. Reese, yes, I see. The shapes are not the same size. Okay, there's a big triangle. There's a small triangle. There's a small square. And there is a big square. And then we see a small circle there. And then we also see a bigger circle there. There's a big rectangle and there's also a smaller rectangle. Yes, Dirash, you're right. Okay, and Aliyah there, I see you. Okay, now I want us, you've typed for me that you can see that the sizes are not the same. Remember a few days ago, we talked about direction, or you can remember those shapes. You said one shape was in front, the other one was behind. Now I want you to tell me, where is the smaller triangle in relation to the big triangle? Type it in for me there. Okay, where is the triangle? How would you describe the position of this triangle? Is it to the right or is it to the left? Anyone for me there? Is it on the right or is it on the left? Where is the position of the small triangle? Is it to the left or is it to the right?
It is in the right.
It's to the right. That's correct. Shiva, thank you very much. Okay. And then now let's see this this shape. Okay. Where is our small square? Is it to the
It is
left?
on the left.
It is on the left. Who is speaking?
Today.
Diresh. Okay, thank you, Diresh. Yes, the small square is to the left of the big square. Great, Gabriel. You're right, Malak. Yes, thank you. Now let's look at the circle. Okay, there is our small circle. Where would you say is our small circle? Is it to the left? Is it to the right? Is it on top or is it below? Where would you say is the small circle? You can type it in for me or tell me.
It is on the top.
It's on top. Who's speaking?
Also above. It is.
Dash, thank you. It is on top. The small circle is on top or it's above the big circle. Well done. Now let's look at the rectangle. Okay. If we look at our rectangle there, where is the small rectangle?
At the bottom.
Okay, at the bottom. Who is saying at the bottom?
Dirash.
Dirash again. Okay. I want all of us now to also communicate. That's right. The small rectangle is at the bottom of the big rectangle. That's right. So this morning we can actually talk about more things about our 2D shapes. We can see the different sizes We can see the different sizes, and we can also see the different positions or directions, either to the left or to the right, or above or below. Good, well done. Now let's look at the next slide. Okay. Right. So those are the names of the shapes we pass. Now we're looking at our 3D objects, okay? Right, so there's a cube for us, okay? What color is this cube? Anyone who remembers the color of the cube?
Green.
Green, well done. Okay, and can you also see the different sizes?
Yes, small and big.
Oh yes, that's a small one and a big one, good. All right, and then we've got another 3D shape, okay?
It is pink. And it is.
It looks like what?
It's a sphere. It
It
is
is a sphere.
a sphere. And
Yes.
a sphere.
Okay, I'm going to mute you a little bit now. So there are some balls which are like this. I can think of a basketball, you know.
And a soccer ball.
And a what?
And a soccer ball.
Yeah, yes. With different patterns. Yes, well done. Okay, I want us to play that game again. So the small cube, it's a square, but when it's a 3D, we call it a cube, okay? So the small cube, on which side of the big cube is it?
It's on the left. On the left.
Okay. That's correct. It's on the left. Well done. Okay. And then the big cube, on which side of the small cube is it?
On the right.
On the right. Well done. Now we look at our balls, our spheres. That's our small ball.
It's on the right. The right.
Okay, it's on the right. The small
Right.
ball, it's on the right of the big ball. Now the big ball, on which side is it in relation to the small?
Left. Left.
On the
Left.
left. Good. Well done. Well done. Thank you. Thank you for participating. Thank you for communicating. Good. Great. Right. Now let's look at the next slide. All right. What is it that you can do with shapes? What is it that you can do with shapes?
Build blocks.
Oh, build blocks, yes. And I remember the other day we used our 2D shapes to make pictures. Is there anyone who
Yes.
remembers? You remember? We made
Yes.
a house, we made a flower, making use of 2D shapes. Okay, let's see what is it that we can do with 3D objects, okay? There we go. We've got different balls there. Do you see them?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
My question is there anyone who knows a tower? Somebody talked about the building blocks. Do you remember the building blocks?
Yes.
Can we build a tower using building blocks?
Yes, ma'am.
We can.
Yes.
All right. Okay, now
Yes.
I want you to tell me, can you use these balls to build a tower? Just type it in for me there. Can you use these balls to build a tower?
No,
Why not?
because they are rounded balls, but you can't really build towers with them.
We
Because
can't-
you do. Because it will also fall.
It will also fall. Somebody said they are round and they will fall because they are round. Well
And the
done.
balls are different sizes.
The balls are different sizes. Good. So imagine if we take the golf ball and we put it at the bottom and we put this one, I think this is a softball, a ball that they use for playing softball. If we put it on top, will it be stable? What will happen?
No, because it's too big.
It's too big and it's heavy, so it will fall down. Well done, grade ones. I like that. Right. Okay, now let's look at the 3D now. Another 3D shape, okay? Okay. Wow, what are these? Anyone who sees?
Presents.
Yeah, presents or else, and these presents, they are wrapped in what? What have they used to wrap these presents?
Wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper, good. What do you think is underneath the wrapping paper? Before you get, look at this one, look at this one.
Toys.
It's what?
Cookies.
A what?
Box.
Box, good, box. So some people use boxes to put in their gifts, and then
Yes.
they wrap them in nice gift
And
wraps and all that.
they
Okay,
also put presents.
absolutely, well done. So now here's my question. Can you build a tower with these boxes? Okay, remember, if they are blocks, yes, can we build a tower using blocks?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and if our blocks are maybe the same shape, like here we've got mostly squares and mostly rectangles. So if we've got boxes like these or blocks which are squares and rectangles, can we actually build a tower with it? What do you think? Can we build it? Can we?
Yes.
Will it not
Yes.
fall like the balls?
No. No.
Okay, all right. I agree with you.
No.
It will not fall. But now let's think about it. What if we've got our building blocks? Some of the blocks
Yes.
are triangles, some are circles, some they've got stars and so on. So if we've got different shapes of boxes, can we build a tower with them?
No.
Why not?
Because the triangle can't fit. Because it has three corners, and how is it gonna stand?
Good. How is it going to stand? Good question.
Yes.
Remember, the weight will also determine whether our tower will stand or fall. So very, very good understanding there, that we need to have similar shapes, and also we have to be careful of the weight of the block and the weight of our boxes. Okay, well done. Let's see now what we have. I want you to do something for me. I want you to build, let's see. I want you to build a tower using 3D objects, okay? You explain to me the different shapes, how the different shapes will affect our tower. So I want you in your homework to build a tower for me using 3D shapes of your choice, okay? You can either draw them or you can cut and paste pictures of 3D objects and build a tower for me. Yes?
Can we also take like a box, a real box?
Good, that would be lovely. Okay, and then after taking the real boxes, what are you going to do?
We're gonna build a tower.
Okay, and then after building a tower, how is teacher going to see your tower?
My
Will you
mother
take
can send it to you.
Hey, great. So mommy will take a picture of your tower and then you will send it to me. Is it what you're saying?
Yes.
That
Yes.
will be fantastic. So grade ones, please do that for me.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I do the same?
You can, because remember, our boxes will not be the same. I'll show you my email address just now. Okay? All right. Okay. So there is my email address.
My
So that
mother's
was-
not.
You saying?
My mother's not here, so she can't get your number.
Oh, okay.
So
But
you
you
have
can
to put it. Can you put this class on YouTube?
absolutely. We are going to do that. So please
Ma'am?
just check it on YouTube so that you can. I really, really want to see your towers. You know the different towers that you have, and then I'm going to share them tomorrow. Yes, I'm listening. I'm listening.
I have my dad. He was just writing.
Oh, okay. So he will send them your tower to us, hey? He'll send
Yes.
that. Okay, that's fantastic. Great ones, it's been wonderful being with you this morning. It was so nice chatting with you. I hope you have learned something. Okay, let's quickly go. We have seen the different 3D shapes. And then you have seen that certain shapes, we cannot build towers with them because of how they are. And then others, we can actually build towers with them. And we've seen that size also matters. Shape also matters. So if you've got any other questions, grade ones, it will be wonderful for me to see those questions. You can send them to me on my email. Okay, there's my email address. And that's all for today, grade ones. It's been wonderful being with you today. Any other questions that you might have, feel free to send them via email. And tomorrow, I'm looking forward to sharing your homeworks with the whole class.
Teacher,
Yes?
can I say something?
Okay, that's the last, and then we'll be saying goodbye.
You are the best teacher.
Come again? I'm
The
listening.
best teacher.
Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day.